Welcome to Outlet Music Studio. Our composer corner for today is Waterfall by Elie. Elie's piece is all about parallels. So in the beginning we have this descending line and a constant bass accompaniment that goes with it. And then we start to explore what sixths sound like and tenths and thirds. I love this piece. I think the melody is so beautiful. She has this fantastic sequence towards the end, and you can really feel how much progress she's made in just a year over her composition last year, which was also wonderful. I hope you enjoy Waterfall by Elie.